Good morning, traders. I am looking out for an opportunity to initiate a trade. Nifty opened at 16,671 and Nifty is trading well below 21 exponential moving average. So at this point of time, I would like to initiate a trade. I would like to buy a put option at 140, at 140. Buying put option 16,700 put option at 140. 140. Wait, 141. Let me buy at 141 with a stop loss of 136. Buying put option at 141 with a stop loss of 136. To a target of around 154. Let's see. Still, I have not bought anything. Still, my trade is not initiated because my trade will initiate only at 141. I'm expecting a small bounce back from this point, from 16,636.37. Let's see. Where will that hit? If this candle closes below this 16,637, then we have to change our targets. But still hold for one good opportunity to trade here. We missed this opportunity at 141. I think so. We have missed it. If we would have bought at 141, around 941, within 4 minutes, we would have achieved a target of 154. Very easy achievement. Yes, 154, the target is achieved. So let's look for the target is achieved. The target is achieved. The target is achieved. We will not be able to initiate another trade because this is too far away from the moving averages. So let's hold for some more time and let's see what happens. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Now 16,622, 23, 24, 25, 26. So let me try and initiate one more trade at 154. Buy at 154. Yes, my trade is initiated. 154 here, it is 160, 166. My trade is initiated at 154. Stop loss is 140, 144. $154, my trade is active. I have bought at 154, expecting Nifty to touch 16,600. I'm expecting to touch Nifty 16,600. Let's hold it. I am expecting to touch Nifty 16,600. Let's see. We are getting very good support from every sector. IT is down, pharma is down, media is down, and Bank Nifty is also coming down. Gradually, Bank Nifty is also decreasing. The trigger point to initiate this trade is because I have bought put option below S1. So let's see what happens. We have to see where exactly we get the profit. Do we reach 166? Yes, of course, we will reach 166. Fifteen minutes is very bearish. The first 15 minutes candle is kind of a doji, and second 15 minutes candle is very strong bearish, and third 15 minutes candle is also continue to be bearish. Gradually Bank Nifty is going up. Bank Nifty moved by 40 points in a span of a minute. My stop loss is very clear. It's at 144. Very clear stop loss of 144. It's very volatile today. I see volatility is more. I'm expecting Nifty to touch 16,600. Let me see how are the candles formed in 5 minutes. Nifty put option touched till 162. So 166 is my target, so it has to finish. Only 161. Fantastic. Another 5 points. It's very easy. Now it's at 162, 163, 163, 163, 164. Yesterday's low, it will break yesterday's low. Yes, 609. Yes, it came. I think my target is achieved. No, not it. 164.70. 164.90. Yes, 165. It touched 165, but 166 is my target. 166 is my target. 166 is my target. 164, 166. Yes, my target is achieved. 166 target is achieved. Thank you so much. I have to thank Nifty for helping me to achieve my target. Thank you, Nifty. Have a wonderful day.